want to show you a trick for finding the unique words in a string, because that is useful and it pertains to the assignment and the sandbox. And it requires me to introduce one more data type to you. There's one more list type that I haven't shared with you yet, but I'm going to share it with you today. It's called a set. And I can convert a list to a set using the set function. When I do that, what a set is somewhat similar to a list. However, it is not indexed, which means the items can shift order or change order. And the other thing that's interesting about a set is that it's not allowed to have duplicate values. So if I take a list that has duplicates in it and I convert it to a set, the duplicates just go away. And then if I convert it back to a list, I can do all the things I want to do with like a list there. So if I take this text, okay, so it's a string that contains, as you can see, the names of colors. If I split that into a list, using the space, and then I print it out, I'll get my list of colors here. You can see, if you look, that red and blue are both duplicated. So if I want to get rid of those duplicates very quickly, all I have to do is convert to a set using the set function, and I give it the list as the argument. And then I'll print the set out. Okay? So look, a set gets printed with curly braces, like a dictionary, but it does not have key and value pairs. Okay, so that's what a set looks like when you print it. I can very easily now convert back to a list using the list function, and I give it the set as an argument. And if I want to go all the way back to this, let's sort the list. li new.sort. We'll sort it alphabetically, and then we will glue it back together using space. So str new equals space and then dot join, and we'll give it the new. So let's look at the whole thing here. So we've got this list of colors out of order with duplicates. We split it, which makes it a list. We just print that out to check it. Then we change it to a set. That removes the duplicates. Then we print it again. Next, we convert it back to a list using the list function. And then now that it's a list, we can sort it because lists are indexed. And then the last thing we do is we join it back together using a space. So now what we should end up with when I print this is an alphabetized list of the color names without duplicates. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so there is the progression. We've got the original list. We've got the set with duplicates removed. And here we go. Nice alphabetized string of color names without duplicates. So we can do things rather quickly and easily if we use these things in intelligent ways. But which thing to use and how to use them in which order, that's up to you as a programmer. Your job is to come up with a logic that makes those things make sense.